reports of casualties across Brooklyn in the wake of this devastating attack. Emergency services are focused on rescue efforts along the East River, while the White House press secretary refused to confirm President Fernandez's location.
Okay, we get it. If he was safe, he'd be on the news instead of the anchors.
I'm running scared.
Can you blame him? It's not the first time this town's been through hell.
All thanks to one man.
Kincaid will pay for this. Don't worry.
What about President Fernandez? We warned him if he just listened.
So your Goo Goo Pack's gunning him down in the street?
Fuck off, I know who the enemy is.
Enough. We do our job. Leave the rest to the folks like Mills.
Hey, what's that?
God. It's the presidential motorcade.
Shut to hell. Pack's already found them.
Where's the principal? Or the counter-assault team?
No sign. No movement. Wait. Listen. Sounds like the cat team to me.
That's it. No way around.
We got one. Through that playground. Go fast, go quiet. Whoever's fighting needs us now. Us. As a team. Got it? Let's go.
Pax knew right where to ambush him.
This is Dagger 1-3. Any cat members in the area?
You getting anything?
No. But you busted up. Let's get in there.
Pax ahead.
Okay, Dagger. No radio contact yet, so Cat doesn't know we're coming in. Pick your targets. Cat has a job to do. Give them space while we do ours.
We've got him on their heels!
Marine raiders on. Dagger, the Secret Service has the principal inside the beach. They're under heavy fire.
Moving up to give him coverage.
How many do they have? Enemy fire from above.
We're on it!
Pax doesn't give a damn that people live here, do they?
Gives us some cover!
Cat, we're approaching the east. Check your target. No. Real beast is inside the fire station. Murphy's out of the fight. That says we've got enemy reinforcements incoming. On the move!
Last one. Don't waste it.
Shit! Pax is bringing in long-range fire. Get into position! Damn! Cat's taking casualties!
Hey, we can grab some cover over here. Cat's holding out by the fire station.
Hold out, McClung! Down the street, Pax reinforcements.
They're sending a damn convoy.
Fire station, up the team.
I'm reloading!
Use that ammo to resupply.
Target behind the gun.
Target down! Good kill! Finally pushed him back.
How does Pax still have so many guys?
Got it. Cat is waving us in. Come on.
Ammo, right there. Grab that ammo!
Ammo over there!
Eagles incoming!
Whoa, friendlies! Friendlies.
That's gotta be Dagger. They're clear! Gecko. Stairs.
10 years of service, and all it took was a stray bullet.
Bester called first, sir. If we can trace these Soken packs, no contacts, no signals, we're alone.
Dagger, this is John Rossetti, head of my protective detail. I suppose you know who I am.
Mr. President, do you need a medic?
What I need is my chief of staff. Only Pax shot Gale in the neck trying to get to me.
Sir.
Just like Pax put millions of people in the firing line. This is the world the Coalition wants. No diplomacy, no compromise. Just survival of the fittest.
I'll leave the politics to you, sir. The packs are still out there.
Marine One and its escort are en route. But the street's too hot for an extraction.
Sounds like we're securing the roof.
He'd be a sitting duck.
For who? We wasted the Pax forces outside. If we go right now...
Negative. Half of the PPD just got wiped out. No one is taking the boss anywhere until I know it's safe to move.
John. I can't coordinate with the Joint Chiefs until I'm clear. Which means we can't save Brooklyn until we get out of here. I'll take the chance.
Understood, sir. Okay. Let's do this right. Look, I don't have the people to scout ahead and run defense here. Can you back us up?
I'll stay. Murphy, secure the rooftop for Marine One. When it's clear, we'll link with you.
Copy that.
Good luck.
Grab that ammo.
This is Marine One. Visual on the LZ.
Bring the hammer gun.
Shit! Marine One!
Mayday! Clearing the airspace! Red air! Red air!
Fuck! They're gone! We've got drones incoming!
Murphy, sound off.
Drones took out Marine One. Stay away from the windows.
Push forward! They're swarming us!
Watch your heads!
Adams! Okay, sit him down! Get pressure on it! Murphy, we need you three back inside.
Shouldn't we look for survivors?
No time. Not with the drones and a president to protect. And that's not a crash you'd walk away from. Eagle's returning! Pass. Pax got all 3 helicopters. Marine One and both escorts.
Damn it. All right, we're cut off. We need options. What about the Beast? It's armored?
Right, but it's already damaged. I wouldn't bet it against a swarm of drones.
And this building isn't safe.
No, we need air support, more ground forces, or a way to thin out the drones.
Not the drones. The operators.
Do we know where they are?
They'd have to be close. Probably with a protection detail. Enough space to launch them.
A Pax force that big in the open. Marine One would have called it in.
Prospect Park is down the block. Canopy, cover. If I was a drone jockey, it's where I'd want to be stationed.
All right, start in the park. Clear the skies, we'll run defense from here. Lopez, you're with me. I need a spare gun and a corpsman on standby.
Got it.
You got this, Marine?
Yes, sir. Gecko, but Espina and I can handle it.
Stay up on comms, but be smart. Don't discuss the boss by name.
Sir, what's your PPD code name?
That would be Everest. Make it fast.
in the park! Multiple targets!
Looks like you were right about Prospect Park. We can probably figure out the drone's flight path from here.
You do it. I'll keep you covered.
Look, they're getting organized.
They think they bloodied us at the fire station. Now comes the kill.
Tango sighted. Park's full of them.
We got drones. There.
I need cover fire! Reloading! More drones! Reloading! Drone neutralized!
Drones again. Whole swarm around here.
Shotgun is down! Enemy in sight! Keep sharp! Drone destroyed! Medic supplies, right here!
Ammo, over there! Drone neutralized!
Getting close.
Dagger 1-3, actual to Murphy. Sit rep.
Closing in on the operators. Prospect Park is crawling with hostiles. Looks like they're gearing up for round 2.
Everest is secure for now, but there might be movement outside, so pick up the pace.
Sniper neutralized!
Wrong way, Marine.
8 o'clock! Shotgun!
Medic!
Behind you! Launcher! 40 meters! Low position!
Trying to cut us off! Don't let them hunt us down!
Copy that!
Got them! They're running the drones from under Indale Arch.
Smart. Can't be seen from the air.
We secure the area first, then neutralize their gear.
Copy that. At distance!
Enemy's down! It's gonna take us too long to unhook all this drone equipment.
C4?
C4.
On it. Watch my 6. Hernandez is spoiling for a fight.
Makes sense. This is no time for the US to show weakness.
So we can't be weak, and Pax can't care about collateral damage? Where does it end?
We can't solve tomorrow today. Let's get the job done.
Okay, we're ready. Let's get some cover.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Murphy, it's Carter. Looks like we got a window to move Everest. Lopez is en route to get you. Nice work. No drones, no waiting.
Great! Another PAX vehicle!
How's Carter? And Everest?
In the beach with the rest of his details. They're en route. The plan is to head for the fob at Fulton. Should be a straight shot there.
We've been chasing down PAX long enough to know it ain't gonna be a straight shot.
Okay, we're on.
Murphy, this is Carter. PAX forces are on the move. The lockdown means no civilian traffic, but we've got abandoned vehicles ahead.
Copy that. Hold steady, Lopez.
I got it. Just spot for me. Yeah, but it's not like a million bullets proof. Max is cutting us off.
Turret's gone! Beast is looking beat up. We've got him, Haz.
They got more wheels! Armored vehicles moving in!
No good. Without the turret, these might as well be flanks.
Murphy, see the crane and the cargo?
Yeah, bring it down. Gives us the advantage. Moving into position.
Stage your lane.
Haz, is everyone okay?
Alive and rolling. The beat's still home together.
Front, hey! 60 meters! Keep moving! The whole street's unstable.
Watch out!
Watch overhead!
Not gonna make it!
Lopez, you good? I'm good, I think. Gecko!
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Looks like we're in the subway. That route's not gonna hold. Come on, let's move. Haz, you okay?
We just scraped through. Where are you?
The subway, believe it or not. We'll take the tunnels to Fulton Ferry.
All right, be careful. There's only one man who'd ride a tank into Brooklyn.
Kincaid?
Who else? Stay alert.
Okay. Let's see what we can see.
Watch your heads!
Roof's real shaky. Come on.
You know, I can't help noticing
Lopez.
that we are in a frickin' subway again.
I'll take it over a tank.
And no trains. Lockdown's good for something.
You hear that?
Rats.
They sounded bigger.
Flares. Watch your eyes.
Light him up!
Free! On me!
Pax must know we're headed to Fulton Ferry.
Then they'll know dropping a building on us wasn't enough.
A tank in Brooklyn. And after we nuke some fucking city because they support Pax, the next attack is gonna be hell.
Full sweep every tunnel. Bomb them out if you have to.
Kincaid. We've got to reach Everest first. But if Kincaid shows us his face...
We'll put a hole in it, don't you worry.
Reloading!
Free! On me!
Come on, Braga. I'm just one man.
It's bait. Don't take it. Dead center.
Suppressive fire. Keep pushing.
Mark's been eliminated! Launch her!
Light! Finally.
We're overdue for a light at the end of the damn tunnel.
Almost there. Fulton Ferry should be right down the block. More Pax forces.
Headed to Fulton Ferry.
We've still got time. Come on!
Mark this Stagger Actual. We need need support at the fob.
We're on our way.
Good, because these fuckers brought more heavy guns.
How much more?
Clear the way and I'll fill you in.
In position. Enemy using cover. Cover. Fire.
Need to reload! Cover me!
Ammo over there.
Drop some rounds for you.
Front! Sniper! 30 meters!
Pax is throwing everything they've got at the fob.
Let's get in there.
Need to reload! Cover me!
11 o'clock. Launcher. 30 meters.
Engineer, KIA!
Shotgun. 30 meters.
Shotgunner down!
On your right! MG! 30 meters!
Drop some rounds for you.
Dead center!
Need patching up!
Last one. Don't waste it.
Nice going, Murph. This way.
Ammo, over there!
All right, our evac is coming. We're going via the river.
Good. Kincaid's not far behind. How did Pax bring in this much hardware?
Blown through most of Slim's financing. Cat has Everest secured. We can take on Pax while they're focused on him.
Let's finish this.
Pax incoming! They're going for the base!
Fall back from the wall.
10 and 1! MG!
Launcher eliminated!
Exfil's en route.
On your right, RPG, 30 meters.
use this. Reloading! Their tank's in play!
KK's last gambit.
Incoming!
Engage!
Get into it.
Explosive ready.
Secure the zone for evac.
Tank is wasted!
Dagger 1-3 actual to Cat. Exfil's coming. If we're going, we go now. Understood, Dagger actual. Are we clear to move? Wait one.
Foe's here!
It's Kincaid.
Is he hit?
No eyes on, but he's near the carousel. Gecko, Lopez! Get Evers on the second boat and exfil.
Roger!
Roger! Covering! TVD, stay low! Go!
All right, Murphy, you stay with me. We'll flank Kincaid. We'll run that bastard to ground.
Got it.
Let's move.
Hey, pal! Go for Carter. Fuck you. Call him! Beg for someone to save you.
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Too late, pal. I've been screwed over by this world long enough, done things no man should have been asked to do. And just when I was gonna put it right, you had to play the hero. And you won. Here's your prize.
You always did talk too much, Alex. Hands off. Now! You move again, I'm gonna paint your brains all over those pretty horses there. Murphy, you all right?
Didn't check your corners. Must be a relief, huh? The brass showering you with honor and valor while deep down, you know this is what you really deserve. Those fuckers laughed when they threw acid over me. You know what it's like to smell your own face being eaten away? And the man you left behind goes on. That's justice.
Burn Brooklyn. For justice.
For a future. Because there's only one way to matter in this world, and that's not to serve. It's to make yourself too big to ignore. Or be forgotten.
I say again, additional gunshots heard. Spread out.
Commander Kincaid, we've got exfil standing by. On your command.
Muster up while you can, pal. Trust me. You have no idea what they'll do to you. Keep
pressure on. The signal.